Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. I have been using this watch for the past few months and I'm loving it. The build quality, the workout options, the analytics, the lightweight, and of course, yes, the price compared to some very costly options out there. Loving everything about it. And my favorite part, this watch has jump rope as a workout activity in it. And it counts jumps and that too pretty accurately. In today's video, I will share how this watch tracks a short jump workout of around 300 jumps. First we will jump and let the watch do its work. After that, I'll take you through the workout analytics screen which we can see in the Huawei Health app on our phone. So friends, we are done with the workout. Let us stop the workout on the watch and then head over to the phone to check out the workout analytics. First things first, we see that the app says we did 310 jumps, very accurate. It says it took us 2 minutes and 24 seconds to complete the workout. We burnt 26 calories. Our average jump speed was 129 jumps per minute. Our longest streak was 310 jumps and our average heart rate was 137. Now, this is on the heart rate. 137 was our average beats per minute and the maximum was 155 beats per minute. It also shows the split under different zones. Here we look at the heart rate recovery. Our heart rate dropped by 21 beats in 2 minutes of recovery. And finally, we look at our jump speed. Our average jump speed was 129 jumps per minute and the fastest we went was 150 beats per minute. Pretty comprehensive data and analysis of our workout. I hope you liked the video. As usual, do leave your question, comments and feedback. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps. Have a super day.